This thing has been in the box since 2005, and it had never been taken out of the box before. And there it was, sitting on the shelf at a thrift store. And golly, as soon as I saw this thing, I'm like, oh yeah, for sure. But then I had the theories of when I was walking around with it in the shopping cart while looking around for other stuff that I wanted, that the battery compartment was going to be bad, and it was. It was really bad. Not the worst thing I've seen, but it, it leaked out onto the battery cover to that point where they were a little on the contacts, but not bad. They had mostly just, I don't know, these things, when I buy these older germaniums, they have really bad Duracell batteries that corrode, so, hold on. They have really bad batteries that corrode, and then it ends up ruining the thing. It gets, like, really bad corrosion in it, and then they don't work. And, the other thing that's wrong with it is the mouth, but, I got this, and then I went to Goodwill, and I found that, and it was a pretty good day for finding things new in box. I've never... that thrift store had a lot of new in-box stuff. I guess someone had a Valentine's party or something, and they bought all these things years ago and just, I don't know, decided to donate them because they didn't need them anymore. Now, I had to break open both of these battery compartments because they were both messed up, but, yeah, I'll do them again for you. The hard side up. I guess that's about it. It's pretty cool. Nice thrift store score along with that cat up there. Oh, and I showed you the cat the other day on the shorts, but I'm probably going to do it as well. The cat. Let's see. Doesn't move, though. Oh, I put low batteries in it by accident. Let me fix that. Hold on. This one had battery corrosion in it, too, but it wasn't as bad as that one. This one just had a little bit of rust. You know, those old Vinnic batteries. It does work, though. It doesn't dance, as you saw. Yeah, these were two exciting thrift store finds for me yesterday. So, I guess I'll see you guys later.